Okay, meron tayo ngayong algebraic example dito kung saan gagamit tayo ng mahirap na factorization. One of the hardest factorization that we're going to use. Now, alam naman natin na kapag sinabing factorization, meron yung factor by common number or like the common factor, splitting, and quadratic equation formula. Okay, so may formula tayo dong gagamitin ganun. So, in here, dito sa example na to, meron tayong tatlong gagawin para makuha natin yung ating sagot. So, first thing to do is find the equation. Ngayon, bubuo tayo ng equation gamit yung mga given natin na nandirito sa ating right triangle. Okay, I'm just going to fix that one. And next, isosolve natin kung ano yung value ng x and then find the area of this triangle. So, ang unang gagawin natin, kung paano natin malalaman yung equation, gagamitin natin yung Pythagorean theorem formula. So, ano nga ba ito? Ito yung c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Ngayon, C ang ginagamit, ibang letra ang ginagamit dito. So, ang gagawin natin, i-assign natin yung mga values ng ating ABC dito sa ating example. So, dito, ilalagay natin, i-assign natin ang A sa X, B sa ating base. Ito kasi yung height. Tapos, ito naman yung hypotenuse. Ngayon, yung hypotenuse is always C. So, next to do is, ipa-plug in na natin ngayon itong mga values na to dito sa ating formula. So, c squared is, palitan natin yung c sa quantity 3x minus 1. So, we have quantity 3x minus 1 squared. Sorry, this is 1. And then, a is x. So, x, meron tayong square. I-square natin yung x. Plus b is the quantity of x plus 1 squared. So, ganyan na yung ating equation. Now, we are going to simplify all of this. Isi-simplify lang natin. So, ang magiging resulta nito is 9x squared and then minus, kasi minus to, minus 12x plus 1 is equal to x squared and then plus, simplify, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, etong term dito, isi-simplify natin further. So, we have 9x squared minus 12x plus 1 is equal to x squared. Ito, combine natin to. I'm sorry, we have to combine this 2x squared and then we have this plus 2x plus 1. So, yung quantities or yung mga term dito, ililipat na yun natin dito sa kabila para ma-equate natin yung ating equation to 0. So, 9x squared minus 12x plus 1. Pero, pag nilipat mo ito, lahat ng sign nila dito is magbabago. So, we have positive, magiging negative, 2x squared, and then positive, negative, 2x, and then negative. Negative 1 is equal to 0. Kaya lahat ito, combine natin sa kanilang like terms. So, 9x minus 2x. 9x squared minus 2x squared is equal to 7x squared. And then, tingnan natin yung mga x's natin. So, we have here minus 12x minus 2x is equal to minus 14x. And then, plus, minus, so canceled out. Okay? And then, equals 0. Okay. Ngayon, para natin ipa-factor out to, ilabas lang natin to. Itong common nila. Common factor. 7x. And then, x minus 2. So, meron na tayo dito, pwede na natin i-solve kung ano yung value ng x. So, eto, from this equation, magiging, i-equate natin to ngayon i-equate natin ngayon to 0. Kasi ito na yung dalawang factors nila. So, i-equate natin to 0. So, x here is equal to 0. Now, yung isang value ng x is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, ito, pag nilipat mo to sa kabila, magiging positive. So, x is equal to 2. So, ito yung tatanggapin natin. Ngayon, etong value ng x, para makuha natin yung area ng triangle, we are going to put this into our figure. So, eto, x, ang a natin is equal to x is equal to 2. Ang b is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Yan ang b natin. So, ang ating c is equal to 3x minus 1. So, 3 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So, yan ang value ng ating c. c is 5. b is, 3. And then x is equal to 2. Ayan. How do we find the area of the triangle? So, gagamitin natin yung formula ng pagkuha ng area ng triangle. So, area is equal to 1/2 times the base and the height. Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin dito is titingnan natin ngayon. Ipa-plug in na natin. A is equal to 1/2. Ano yung base natin? Ang base natin is 3 at ang height natin is 2. So, we have here. So, ang base is 3 and then ang height is 2. So, pagka sinimplify pa ulit natin to, magiging ganyan yan. Cancel natin yung dalawa, yung number 2, and then our area is equal to 3 cm squared.